Hello you guys, this is a Scrapdiva unboxing and look at this will be great. This is the first time making examples for Erica. Oh, and oh boy, they are the best. It's really great, I really love it, it's amazing. So let's dive into it. And yeah, you will see what I will be making in the next months, and almost everything will be available from November, but there is one item that's already available, I suppose, but you will see and I will let you know. So here we go. Well, we are going to start with the elf mini bows. So really pretty. This is large and those are the mini ones. And look at this. Oh, this will be so cute. And the sentiments, of course. I have learned from Scrapdiva to use those because when I was started crafting, I never had them, and when I saw this, I was so over the moon. So I'm really happy with all those Christmas sentiments, and yeah, they are great. It's hard to tell what it says, but I already found peppermint, December, hot cocoa, so yeah, winter, what does it say? Something with winter. Well, really pretty. And this one is already available, but look at this, how much fun. It's a memory decks, let me take, so I can say it right. It's a trick or treat memory decks bag. Oh my goodness, look at it. Isn't this amazing? I think I've already seen it, but I'm not sure, but I really love it. And also this die, you can use it when it's not Halloween anymore. This is perfect, love it. Oh, and this is so cute. Oh, I'm sure this will be really pretty when it's time for Christmas, because this is a gingerbread garland. Oh, isn't it so cute? Really love it. Yeah, and oh, this one. This is a nutcracker. Yeah, it's Mr. Nutcracker cake. And you know, it's a cake with the head of a nutcracker, but it's also a shaker. Can you believe it? Oh, look, amazing. Oh, and there we have this one. I think this is so cute. Oh, this, let me see how it's called. Elf Shoe Mini Album. But oh boy, amazing. Really cute. I really love it. Yeah, and this one, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm really hyped. I'm really enthusiastic. But this, I think, is also a shaker. But oh, look, it's a nutcracker. I really love it. Yeah, it's called nutcracker, so very easy to find. But oh, look at it. How cute. And also this one is a really pretty mini album. Let me see. Elf mini album. Well, look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, can't wait to make something with it. Yeah, and also this one. Oh, let me say, I believe that were the Christmas crafts. So now we're going to the other crafts. And this one is called A2 Card Front Shadow Frame. But look, oh, this is amazing. I've used to make it by myself, but this is so neat, so pretty, and I can make a lot with it. My head is turning, spinning already. Oh, so pretty. Oh, and this one is also an album. This is called the Door Mini Album. My voice is already getting tired. And look at this. Oh, isn't it amazing? Oh, explore, believe, and all those ratchets, how do you say? I don't know what's the English words, but oh, I love it. Amazing. Then we've got this one, and look at this, you guys. It's really pretty. It's called Branches and Ornament Wreath Set. Well, you can use it all year, all day long, of course. So this will be perfect for every project. And this is the last one. But last one is amazing. Yeah, everything is amazing, but this one, this, you guys, is a 3D mini claw machine. Look at this. It's so stinking cute. This will be so pretty. So, well, when I finish this video and I've got some energy, I have to have some energy. I will make a lot of pretty goodies. I really love it. I'm really grateful to have received it and be able to make this. So thank you very much, Erica. And yeah, well, you guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you like all the Scrapdiva designs as much as I do. So see you the next time. Bye bye.